Hey everyone! For today's Canvas tips and tricks video, we're going to cover how to duplicate a quiz in your Canvas course. So let's jump in. So here we are in an online course, so let's take a look at our quiz that we're going to duplicate. I'm going to go to modules and I see I have a syllabus quiz here. So I go into my syllabus quiz and then I click on the three dots and I select copy to. This will allow me to copy it into my own course. I'm going to put in the course code, but you should also be able to use the drop-down menu to choose the one that you need. And then you'll choose the module that you'd like to put it into. Just going to put it into module 4 because I'm just doing a sample here. And then I say where in the module I want to place it. I want to put it at the bottom. And now I'll click copy and it will begin. Now, it may take a few minutes for it to copy over, but you should see it in the module when I go there right now. So I'll scroll down to module 4. And here is my duplicated syllabus quiz. And I can tell it's a duplicated quiz. I'm going to go ahead and title it number 2. And I'm going to make sure it's not published. Right? And now if I go back to my modules, I see I have my normal syllabus quiz right here and my syllabus quiz too. So that's how you duplicate quizzes. For more Canvas tips and tricks, go to hartnell.edu/pdc/canvas. Thanks for watching.